everybody and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Eleftheria. I know it can be a little bit difficult to be pronounced, so you can call me Ellie. And yeah, I guess enough with the rambling and let's get into this review. Today I finished the course Illustrator CC 2018 for beginners, basics and tricks, and I thought I could make a review on it. Well, first of all, let me tell you that it comes from Udemy and it's free. I have already rated with 5 stars and I really like this course. I was a total beginner with the Illustrator, but now I feel that I have achieved some things, so I really like that. First of all, let's get to the basics about the course. Well, we have 30 lectures and videos are up to 5 hours. The skill level is beginner, and I think that even if somewhere it's quite more advanced, if he wants to make a quick revision of his knowledge, again, he should take it. And the language is English. Now, the instructor, I don't think that he is a native English speaker. Sometimes he can have a hard accent, but you can totally understand him. Maybe in the first couple of videos you won't be able to understand him so well, but after a while you will adjust to hear his talking. You can read the description. Oh, and I forgot to mention that of course I'm going to leave in the description box the link to this course, so you can check it out by yourself. Then the instructor was very good, was very clear. I'm sure that he's very knowledgeable. I really liked him, and he was fun and he was always on to the point. He wasn't rambling and he was always trying to make you understand something, and then you could do it with him. So let's continue with the course content. Actually, we have 2 sections, but the second section is just a bonus, and yeah, it's a bonus lecture, Master Illustrator and Design. But the most important things is here in the first section, and as you can see, there are 29 videos, and the videos are usually around 10 or 11 minutes. There are some bigger videos like this one that is 15 minutes, or this is 18 minutes, but all in all it's great and you will learn a lot of things even by the first video. Then you have your Q&A, and if you have any question you can ask here. For me everything was quite clear, so I didn't ask anything, but as you can see there is usually a response, so if you have anything, most probably the instructor or someone else will answer to your question. As for the announcement, the same teacher has another tutorial that you can check it out. And yes, this is my quick review on Illustrator CC 2018 for beginners. I also wanted to mention that in this lesson it's not like you are going to make a project from the start to the end. It's more like you are learning the basics things, and the instructor will teach you how to start a new project and what are all the details, like the brush, the pen tool, the move tool, and all these kind of things. Some of them are pretty similar to Photoshop, so if you are familiar with Photoshop, some meanings can go quicker, but other than these, yeah, it's a great course and I would totally recommend it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and if you like this video please share and subscribe. Have a great day!